In this video, we'll show you how to create and process payments made to your Modulr eMoney account in your Sage 50 accounts data. Each time funds are added to your Modulr eMoney account, they must be recorded in your Sage 50 accounts data for bank reconciliation purposes. To do this, you can either record a one-off payment or create a regular payment. Alternatively, if you're using bank feeds and you've not yet recorded the Modulr payment in your Sage 50 accounts data, once your bank transactions have been downloaded, you can create and match a new transaction instead. Recording a one-off payment. To record a one-off payment from your bank account to your Modulr eMoney account, from the navigation bar, select Bank Accounts. Then select Bank Transfer. To select the bank account the money's coming from, click the From drop-down, select the relevant bank account, then click OK. To select the bank account the money is going to, click the To drop-down and select your Supplier Payments bank account. Then click OK. For example, bank account 1201, Supplier Payments e-account. Enter the date of the payment to your Modulr eMoney account and any references if required. Now enter the payment amount and click Save. To view the transactions posted for a one-off payment, click Transactions. Create a regular payment. To create a regular payment from your bank account to your Modulr eMoney account, from the navigation bar, select Bank Accounts, then select Recurring Items. To create a new recurring item, click Add. First, in the Recurring Entry Details section, click the Transaction Type drop-down and select the option for Bank, Cash, Credit Card Transfer. Then, from the Recurring Entry From To section, enter the bank account details for the transfer. To select the bank account the money's coming from, click the Bank Account From drop-down, select the relevant bank account, then click OK. To select the bank account the money's going to, click the Bank Account To drop-down and select your Supplier Payments bank account and click OK. Make any other changes to the Recurring Entry Details section if required. In the Posting Frequency section, select how often you want the payment to recur. For example, every 1 month. Enter a start date for the regular payment. If the recurrence is ongoing, leave the total required postings set to 0. The finish date will show perpetual. If you'd like the recurrence to continue for a specific time frame, enter the total number of postings here. This will amend the finish date to the date of the last posting. In the Posting Amount section, enter the amount of the regular payment. Once you're happy with the details entered, click OK. The regular payment transactions will appear in the list. To close the Recurring Items window, click Close. Processing recurring items. When recurring items become due, you'll be prompted to process them when opening Sage 50 accounts. To access your company data as normal without processing the items, click No. To open the Recurring Items window, click Yes. To view any recurring items due, click Process. To record the transactions in Sage 50 accounts, click Post. To close the Recurring Items window, click Close. If you're not prompted to process recurring items, you can process them manually instead. To do this, from the Bank Accounts module, click Recurring Items from the toolbar. To view any recurring items due, click Process. To record the transactions in Sage 50 accounts, click Post. To close the recurring items window, click Close. To view the transactions posted for a recurring item, click Transactions. You've now learned how to create and process payments made to your Modulr eMoney account in your Sage 50 accounts data.